This video shows you how to create a certificate for your course. If you wish to generate a certificate for your course, click the Certificates button. You create custom certificates or diplomas that will automatically be sent to your learners upon course completion. Upload your template. Coggno does the rest. Many variables can be integrated into your certificate, from the course description and date of completion to the recipient's name. You can read about creating a certificate template here. How to create a certificate. Here are the sample variables. Once you have created the template, you are now ready to upload it. Click Create Certificate. Choose your file. And upload. Thank you for watching. Thanks for checking out our videos. But why settle for just a drop in the ocean? Upgrade to Coggno Plus or Enterprise and experience new training efficiency and scalability. Coggno's cutting-edge features will take your training initiative to the next level. Don't just take our word for it. See for yourself with a personalized demo. Click the link below to book now.